it's full self-driven. Just giving you a little preview of the front display that we are installing. If this video is helpful at all, please give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel if you are looking for more Tesla related content, and comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. It's got full Apple CarPlay. The heads-up display is actually part of Sexy Buttons app. But yeah, we have discount codes for both the screen and for the Sexy Button Commander if you just want the app, or if you are looking for the knob as well that has different different kind of different commands at your fingertips. Let us know. Also check the link in our bio. We have tons of codes, discounts there, as well as you can connect to our socials. And if you have any other questions or want to connect with us better. Thanks again. Hey everyone, it's Full Self-Driven back again with another video. Today we've got another product from Hand Show. It is a front display. We're going to get this unboxed. Jump right into it. So you've just got a user manual, instruction guide, parts list. Just comes with looks like different cables for whether you're on Intel or AMD. We're on AMD, so we won't need that. We'll be using this. It's for an optional front camera. We'll be possibly installing that, maybe saving it for another video, but this is what we're really here for. It's the screen itself. And they've got mounting screws in there. You just put the plates on one side and mount, screw into the actual bottom of here through these holes. But yeah, let's jump right into it and get this installed. Do a step-by-step process for y'all. Alright y'all, so let's jump right in. We will first be taking off this panel right here. Actually get out for this so you guys can see properly. It won't need much force. As you can tell, it's starting to come off already. Yeah, you just get underneath there. You should be able to get that off. It just has clips. Clips off pretty easily. We're going to go do that on the other side, and then we should be able to lift the dash up and out. Show you how to do that real quickly. So we'll just go over here to the other side. Same sort of thing. I want to kind of get up around it, around your dash, like so. And then 2 of the clips off. There's the third one. They're all 3 clipped in there. This should pop up now. Right here. Yeah. Comes up pretty easily. I'm going to take off this so it snaps all the way off. We don't need our phone mount anymore. Up there. But yeah. I think it did come with some, I believe it came with some strips for us to put in there. Let's see, where were those? I'm gonna grab those, put those on the dash so I know exactly where the screws go, and then we'll jump right back into it. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna jump right back in here. Take off this panel next. It's a pillar panel. Might be a little trickier to get underneath there, but once you get underneath there, it comes right out. So, yeah, like so. This will be the next one that comes out, but we'll take off our trim so we can get down there. I'm going to take off that other one, pop off the rest of the dash, show you guys exactly what that looks like. And it just snaps up and out. This came out like so. Got the clips out from there. I'm gonna go unclip it on the other side. Show you that process right here. So your fingers underneath here. You should just be able to pop it up and out. Like so, it all pops up, and you'll be able to pull it out. You do want to power off your car for this, or at least, I don't know if they recommend it, but we're going to go into it and do it anyway. Power off. So you should be able to lift the entire dash out. Don't want to scratch my screen or my windshield. But yeah, either gonna want to put this on a table or something where it's not gonna get scratched. So yeah, it's just that easy. We'll show you the process of plugging in the cable now in just a second. Just there for dashboard rattle. It sticks right back on. Alright guys, so next we're going to jump right back in here. We got to get this popped out like so. Get that hole. Right, just put that somewhere so you don't lose it. And then you should be able to pop this off the rest of the way. Just clips down and out. here. You don't want to be too rough with it. I'm also going to take out my floor mat because that might be inhibiting it from popping out in the front a little bit. So yeah, popped out now. Or it wasn't popping out before. Yeah, you should be able to unplug it like that and get to these wires in here. And I'll go grab the harness and show you how to connect that. So we grabbed our AMD Ryzen, and the blue's going to go in the blue, and we'll take that orange one. We're going to unplug this. Make sure your car is powered off still. But yeah, there's a little tab right here you can push in, and you should just be able to pop that sucker out. Like so. This is going to go in there, and that one is going to go in there. Make sure those are snapped in, secure. We're going to plug that blue one into here. This one will just be extra. It's not necessarily needed right now. We'll tuck that away and get the rest of it in a little bit. For the most part, that should be good and tucked. And then from there, we will need to route this wire, and we'll go up and around here, and then basically just we don't need that. Basically just run it across the dash and then up through. I'll show you that here momentarily. Alright y'all, so you're going to come back over here to your dash. You're going to run those three basically through the middle cutout. You can see the cutout there, my dash. Ran those three through, and then you can basically just line it up like so. Yeah, just like that. And then over here on this side, you'll have these brackets you can put into place, and then screws. I'll show you that process. I have to get a smaller bit. Okay everyone, I couldn't find a bit small enough, so I'm going to assume grab a small screwdriver if you can find one. I'm going to assume it's probably better to use a screwdriver on this than it is to drill in plastic. Not entirely catching. I think I'm gonna have to put some pressure on the back end of it. Okay, so it just wasn't lining up perfectly. Always come back and tighten those down later. Put the pressure on the back end of this while I'm putting this plate on here. That one tightened down really well. It was probably the most tedious part of it all. I'm going to put pressure on this other one. See if we get this one all tightened into place. This one right here isn't catching. Alright. I think we should be good. Now the moment of truth. We'll get this back into the car and we'll see how the whole thing. So, guessing probably the best way to do this is take it over where it's gonna go. we'll get over there, plug it in before we snap the screen into place. Alright, we're gonna jump right back over to the front seat after we put the dash in. And we're gonna have to get our wires, and there are other wires, and then we should just be able to easily plug in like so. Another one. And yeah, there we go. We'll get through the rest of the UI and settings here in a second, but yeah, it's working. Awesome. We got the dash back in there. We had to hit down on these pretty hard to get them all in there, but it's sealed back up properly. Put this in here. And that piece just snaps in there. Those just snap all together, all three. And then we'll go over to this other side, snap our last piece. Last two pieces, where are they? Put them somewhere. One's here. Here's the other one. So this last piece. There we go. So y'all can see we already set up the CarPlay. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We'll use it for a week or so and let y'all know what we think about it. Appreciate everyone tuning in. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. And until next time, peace.